Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I need to make sure my mic is on. Hold on. Okay, mic's on. We're good. The last video I kind of shared with you guys what's going on, and I appreciate all the love and support so much. And in that video, I jokingly said that I didn't feel like coming on camera and being like, this is my favorite lipstick. And over the past couple of weeks, quite a few of you had said that it might make me feel better to come on here and do what it made me feel happy prior to all of this. Also, a company that I have recently gotten to know, City Beauty, sent me a package, and it just really inspired me to come on camera and just combine a couple topics. My favorite lipstick and my least favorite pill slash antidepressant slash if you're gonna take it, you need to be warned. So if you do like this video, I hope that you will give me a big thumbs up. And if you wanna see more from me, then be sure to click that subscribe button down below. While you're down there, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so let's just start off with the positive because I'm feeling pretty good. I had a lot of fun putting makeup on. This is the second time I've put makeup on since my last video, and this one was really fun for me, and it all was based around these lips. So I got an email from City Beauty, and if you haven't seen my prior video on City Beauty, City Lips, then you should definitely go check it out because these lip products, and they have more than just lip products. Without getting into everything again, because I know I've talked about it, what City Lips and City Matte Lips do for you is they completely like just blur out and make the little lines and imperfections in your lips just go away. Like they just somehow disguise any imperfections in your lips and they plump your lips. I did film something before this, just kind of testing out how much does it really make your lips plump. You can literally see the difference over a 10-minute process where I put it on half of my lips and let the other half just kind of sit there. They had reached out to me, I want to say almost a month ago. I actually didn't see the email for a while because I was depressed and I wasn't, oh my gosh, why am I gonna start crying right now? But I'm still emotional and I'm still working through the depression stuff, but I love their matte lips. So I decided I wanted to try this color that I have on right here in a gloss, along with the other product that they wanted me to try out. When I received the package and just like the note that they sent with it, like who am I? I have like 1,000 subscribers, but I did, and I do feel like they care. And on top of that, like they have an amazing product. So when I saw this color, I was like, whoa. I have to say I love a good red, but as I've matured, red lipstick has been super tricky, especially a matte red lipstick. So I'm like, I need to try this. And you guys, whoa. As I've been wearing the product, the lines have been dissipating, and I'm not a huge fan of like super overlining, especially because of the fine lines in my lips, but I could overline with this red lip. I don't have a liner on, okay? So it comes like, this is the packaging, first of all. It has, whoop, there goes my lip color, but it has the shade right here. This one's called Scarlet. It comes like this. But this part right here, it's like this blue velvet. It's just so luxe. I love that they made the tube for the mattes like frosted. And then this is the other shade that I tried. This one is San Diego, and this is the gloss, and it is beautiful as well. I'm not really sure how much I can go on about a lip product, but if you wanna have those flawless lips that you see that are probably airbrushed on magazine covers or face-tuned or photoshopped on Instagram, this is me. I'm not a model. I don't know how to do video Photoshop. Like, this is what it looks like, guys. I wanna be completely transparent is it 10% or 15%? I don't know, something like that. But I do make money if you use my coupon code. I don't remember what it is. I'm gonna put it right here, but it will save you guys, I believe it is 10% off of your purchase. They are pricey, they are $35, I know, but I'm telling you, you are not gonna regret it. If anybody from City Beauty is watching, without crying, thank you for making me want to be me again. All right, so now if you don't wanna hear about mental health awareness or whatever, then you can just click off the video now. I would consider myself, prior to starting the pill, I was functioning, I was fine. I probably even could have started just going to see a therapist to just work through things. Maybe I should have maybe should have. I definitely, before putting any kind of an antidepressant, I should have gone to a psychiatrist and just kind of gotten their feedback. Instead, I was feeling completely overwhelmed at the time. There was a lot going on. When I went to my general practitioner, she had suggested that maybe I start taking something. So I started taking Effexor extended release, and that is also known as Venlafaxine. Venlax, I think that's how you pronounce it. That's the generic name that I think most people are getting it under. It actually changes, and I don't even know off the top of my head what SSRI means. They literally change the chemistry in your brain. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I think that they definitely serve their purpose. And I know that this drug and many others out there as well help people, especially when it's being directed and you know what you're doing and how to use it properly. I was prescribed the lowest prescription or dosage, whatever possible, 37.5 milligrams. I've now learned that for most people is probably not even a therapeutic dosage, but whatever. I took it for about 8 months. I don't know if it was the placebo effect, but at first it felt like it was helping me. I also noticed I was gaining weight. I put on a substantial amount of weight. I don't know if that is completely due to the drug or because I was feeling better, so I was eating more. I have hypothyroidism. There are a lot of factors, but in learning about this drug, you can gain weight on it. Fast forward to about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I've just been down. I haven't, for no reason really, I just have been down. And if you kind of want to see more about that, you can click on my previous video. And I went to the doctor, several issues that I just wanted to address with her, and she advised me to stop taking my Effexor and then go on to another drug called Wellbutrin. Most of the time with drugs like these need to titrate on, meaning it takes a minute for your body to get used to the drug, and sometimes you slowly go up, and when you stop them, you do the same thing. You have to wean off, you titrate down. When she told me to stop taking Effexor and start taking the Wellbutrin, I said, should I just stop, or should I do one pill, I did a pill today, maybe not tomorrow, skip a day, then maybe skip 2 days, just kind of see. She's like, no, you're fine. They're similar enough drugs. You can just stop. And then she put me on 300 milligrams of Wellbutrin, and I believe that one, the 300 milligrams of I can't pronounce it, Bupropion, which is the generic name for Wellbutrin, which probably wasn't the smartest idea. She should have given me a smaller dosage to start. In doing this, about 6 days into that process, I just knew something was off. I was nauseous, I was having diarrhea. That's not normal for me. It's usually the opposite. I was just having crying spells, beyond what I was experiencing. I knew I was down before, but just really bad crying spells. My brain was which I learned are called brain zaps. This is all a known thing when you stop Effexor. And when you stop it cold turkey like that, not good. And I'm still having some of these symptoms, just not as crazy. And in combination with that, on day 6, I was having tremors, I was dizzy, like having vertigo. I was calling Eric. I don't think he fully realized what was going on. I tried calling the doctor. She never called me back. Her office manager did. And I'm harboring resentment towards her. I've been told now by my therapist and some other doctors that she technically didn't do anything wrong. But yeah, I think she did. About 4 p.m. on day 6, I ended up taking myself to the urgent care where they told me that they thought I could have a seizure and needed to go to the emergency room immediately. Eric had to come, he had to leave work because I couldn't drive at this point. Like, I literally, you guys, like, I couldn't talk. That was the other thing. They were asking me, you know, simple things like, by the time I got to the emergency room, what's your phone number? And I could like put it together sometimes, like in my head. I couldn't get it out. Like, I was just a mess and I was scared. And the more they were telling me about this, I think the more upset I got. I was extremely tachycardic, meaning like my heart just felt like it was gonna pound out of my chest. Anyways, got through that, got through the ER. They prescribed me something to just kind of calm me down, no seizure, and I am now 2 weeks, 15 or 16 days out, and I have some good days. I have like, and that's kind of frustrating too. Like, I'll have like 2 good days and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm through it. I'm through the worst of it. And then just like that, like the agitation, like, I don't even know if I had said that, but like low patience, just so agitated. And like, when you've got a 3 and a 5-year-old, it's really hard to stay calm. And then my poor husband gets the brunt of it. Sometimes crying spells, like the stomach issues, the headaches, like they'll just all come back. Thank God they aren't as severe as they were, but when you're living through this kind of stuff and you're already like down, I just want you guys to be aware of when you go to the doctor, when you're not feeling great about yourself, you're feeling down, you're feeling blue, whatever it may be, before you take anything and put it into your body, just be aware of side effects. And if you want to discontinue usage, what might happen. I mean, you guys, I feel not so much now, but like that, you know, 6-day period, I like a drug addict going through withdrawal. It has been compared to getting off of heroin. So I don't want to sound dramatic, but I want you guys to know and be aware. That's really it for this video. I'm working on getting myself to a better place. I have my 2nd therapy session tomorrow. I'm going to a psychiatrist that I saw a long time ago next week. I'm working on finding a new primary care physician. If anybody has suggestions in the Tampa Bay area, let me know. So my favorite lip product of the moment is the City Beauty Matte Lip Cream in the shade Scarlet. And my least favorite antidepressant drug is Effexor. Yeah. That does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing. Just click that button along with that notification bell with all of the notifications turned on so that you get notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.